Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me for another Inner Child Oracle card reading. As you breathe into this reading, allow yourself to open and expand to whatever message is coming through for you. So big deep breath, ask if this is for you, and sink into the energy. Today we have such a beautiful, empowering kind of call to action. The very first card I got was Layla Support. When Layla Support comes up, not only is she saying to create and cultivate more support in your life, but first and foremost that you always have a choice. You always have a choice in how you respond to life. So whatever's happening in your life right now, you always have that freedom and that power to choose differently. If you're seeing something, experiencing something, or feeling something that doesn't feel great, you can alchemize the situation and create whatever you need from it. Do not forget your innate power to alchemize your energy and to create the kind of life you want. Blair Rebellion came out reverse, saying that you might be clinging to conformity, right? You might be in this state of suffering because you are clinging to another way or the world's way of doing things. And you know deep inside that your own true right way is what's best. You don't need to be scared. You can create and have a huge impact in the way that you do and honor things. But Lilith neglect came up, and she's saying you're not meeting those deep inner needs that will allow you to forge this path, right? When you're so focused on the external or other people in your experience, then you get depleted. Lilith is saying, come back to me. Make a commitment to fill and nurture and honor yourself so that we have the ability and strength to alchemize all of this energy and forge the path that we desire. 7, Organized Chaos, is right behind her saying, yes, you have a powerful way of doing things, a way that is right for you. You can turn anything into beauty if you follow your own way. 7 is that girl who has her room scattered and stuff everywhere, but if you were to walk in and ask for something, she'd know exactly where it's at. This is how she thrives. The world might say it's sloppy. For her, it's perfect. So honor your way of doing things. And the very last card, Tristan Abandonment, is saying whatever you do, do not abandon yourself. The world might abandon you. The world might push you away. But as long as you stay true to who you are, as long as you can come back and find your own way of doing things, really support and nurture yourself, not rebel against the world or conform to it, but find your own true path and choose to make the best out of what life is doing for you, everything's going to happen. This is where we find that inner resolve and move forward with our knowing, with our truth, with our strength and our gifts. You're so divine.